Hello everyone, it's Mark of Mark and Linda's X Adventures, right? X marks the spot, Gen X, well, I mean, excellent, I don't know. Anyway, so how do you store a car for long-term storage, right? There's a few considerations. Number one, you want to make sure your fuel has fuel stabilizer in it. You want to get, it's called Sta-Bil. That's the one I use. Maybe I'll put a picture of it. Okay, put some of that stuff in there. Fill up your tank. Don't be lazy, don't be cheap. Fill up the tank all the way. Not just kinda. You want to go all the way with it. Fill that thing up. Because if you leave space in the top of your fuel tank, what does that space do? It's air is in there, right? And then so the water condenses, it can rust your tank, you can have, depending on how long you store your vehicle, you could have water build up in there, and you're starting your vehicle on water. You know, it's just not a good look. You don't want to do it. So fill that tank up, make sure it has fuel stabilizer, right? The next thing you want to do is please do not push this. Don't do it. You want that emergency brake, you want it disengaged. You don't want it engaged, because you're going to go a year from now and undo it, and it ain't going to undo. It's going to freeze itself solid back there. So your brakes will be locked, and that's not a good look either. So now for the big show, right? You want to remove your, let's see here. Oh, you do that one-handed, I don't know. You want to remove these guys right here. You want to take them both off. Both of them. And if I could turn this stupid camera around, it's so dumb, Apple. If I'm filming a video with an iPhone, I can't, they won't let me flip the video. Maybe I'm just crazy or old or something. But anyway, take that off of there. Okay. Alright, so I will go on some rants out here. Alright. But we're storing our vehicles at a RV storage. I mean, you can tell there's RVs all around me. But we're gonna put a car in here, right? So matter of fact, 2 cars will fit in the space of one RV. So 2 cars, one, you know, in one space. There's people that have trucks out here, you know, all kinds of stuff. So boats, pontoons. Also, I'm gonna cover her car with one of these. It's a all-weather cover. It's got soft stuff on the inside so that there aren't scratches that happen. What you want to do is you want to wash and wax the vehicle before you put a cover on it. So what I did is I ran this thing through a car wash. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. You don't want it super filthy, so because it'll damage the finish. You know, when the wind blows, it kind of acts like sandpaper. You know, sort of. If you have that car cover on there, it'll just sit there and just sandpaper this sucker down to nothing. But anyway, so those are some pretty good tips, I think. If I think of another one, I'll start this thing back up. All right, I got to do this because time crunch, right?
Guitars in hand to battle against the contraband. Our voices loud, our spirits high. We won't be silent, we'll touch the sky. Breaking down walls with every chord, melting hearts with the power of the sword. We'll stand tall, we'll be heard, fighting the system with our sound, rocking the world to the ground. Rebels in the night will never back down, unleashing our fury.